In this tutorial, I will show you how to join the Roblox Bedwars Discord server. So let's jump straight into it. As you can see, I've currently got Discord opened. Now I do prefer to use the app, but if you do want to use the web-based version of Discord, follow along as these steps are the same. First, what you want to do is come to your server list on the left-hand side and just scroll down all the way to the bottom. And what you're going to see is a little button with a plus which says to add a server. So just go ahead and click onto this. And what you then want to do is at the bottom of this window, it says have an invite already and a button underneath to join a server. So go ahead and click the join a server button. And in the invite link box, you want to enter the following, which is discord.gg /. So for the next bit, you want to make sure that this is entered exactly as I show, with the capital letters and the lowercase being correct. So you want to put a capital Z, and then in lowercase you want to put RXG, and then capital X, number 9, capital Q and capital B, and then a lowercase v and a capital H. So once that's done, go ahead and click the blue join server button down here, and you'll see that's going to take you across to the official Bedwars server. Now at the moment verification is currently unavailable, it's under maintenance. So you just want to keep an eye on this so you can verify your account. Once your account is verified though, you'll be able to go ahead and look through the channels and post as normal. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.